Hello, this is Graham Freer. I'm in an office in Wingate Road, Gosport, which used to be the headquarters for North Sales, I believe, and now is taken over by AC Marine and Composites. With me is Alex Newton, who's the boss here. Alex, this is an enormous factory, but you've got enormous plans, haven't you?
Very much so. We actually started in a 1,500 square foot barn in Sway, Hampshire. We've managed to upscale to a 22,000 square foot workshop in 6 months. We've grown from 2 full-time employees to I think we're on 9 now in the space of 6 months. So it's been a bit of a rapid expansion.
And yet you hardly made a dent on this premises. So you've got big plans, haven't you?
Yeah. So we're still rattling around in the workshop. We've got a 2-story office block, and there's currently 3 of us in here. So our plans at the moment are to expand up to about 35 people in this workshop, and then if the project that we're working on goes according to plan, we'd need to upscale again in 3 to 4 years' time.
Wow, that's some dramatic plan, that. So what is this project? Can you talk about it?
I can give you a very brief overview of what we're doing.
Okay.
So we have the project to supply composite tidal turbine blades to a company called Atlantis Resources. Atlantis Resources are arguably one of the more advanced tidal energy manufacturers. We've got the lead contract to supply composite tidal turbine blades for their Maygen site, which is essentially their flagship site in Scotland.
Can you describe to me what turbine blades will do?
So it's very, very similar to wind energy, in that you have a centre spire and a turbine mounted on the top of it, except with tidal energy the turbine is a lot smaller. So the 60 or 80 metre rotors that you see with wind are condensed down to about 18 metres.
And it's underwater?
And it's 40 metres underwater in the Pentland Firth of Scotland.
Oh gosh, nothing down here in Hampshire yet?
Not yet. There's a couple of smaller tidal energy sites scattered around Hampshire, and I think there's one which is being progressed off of the south side of the Isle of Wight, but we're not contributing towards that yet.
Hello, this is Graham Freer. I'm in an office in Wingate Road, Gosport, which used to be the headquarters for
3 to 4 years' time.
Wow, that's some dramatic plan, that. Nothing down here. Hello, this is Graham Freer. Plans, haven't you?
Very much so. We actually started in Atlantis Resources are arguably one of the more advanced